Hello, my name is Emma Conrad-Rooney. My pronouns are they, them, and I'm a PhD student in the Templer Lab in the biology department. I did my urban internship with the US Global Change Research Program, where I conducted a review of nature-related topics in the 5th National Climate Assessment. For some background, while the Biden-Harris administration has prioritized nature as evidenced by the April 2022 Earth Day commitment to the U.S. National Nature Assessment, nature remains a broad term with neither a standardized definition of nature nor a framework for covering nature in current federal reports. Therefore, standardized language and a framework for nature would help federal agencies and other sectors better identify, protect, restore, and promote nature and help solve climate change and other challenges. Therefore, for my internship, I conducted a nature-related vocabulary and thematic search of the third order draft of the 5th National Climate Assessment during the public comment period to improve consistency in how nature is addressed in NCA 5, to inform coverage of nature-related content in current and future NCA writing processes, as well as to provide recommendations for the development of the first National Nature Assessment. I presented my findings at the 5th National Climate Assessment all-author meeting in Washington, D.C. I found that the use of nature-related terms varies widely in the 6 nature-related national topics chapters in NCA 5. This figure shows the number of mentions on the y-axis for the chapters on the x-axis. I recommended that NCA authors should use the terms from the ecosystems chapter, which are nature, nature-based solutions, and ecosystem services, to provide better consistency in language across the report. I also found that NCA 5 nature-related content can be split into 4 themes presented in the ecosystems chapter, which are biodiversity, ecosystems, ecosystem services, and human well-being. And I showed the percentage of coverage of these themes across the chapters here in this figure. I recommended that authors should consider equally addressing or at least touching on all 4 of these themes to provide a comprehensive discussion of nature in the NCA. I also proposed a nature framework, which would not only allow for synthesis of nature within and across reports, but also establish a federal framework for understanding nature and making policy. Thank you so much.